So, today we're diving deep into the tech that's changing the game for creators, right here at IdeaPlex.
What if I told you AI can edit an entire video for you, complete with face swaps, translations, and Hollywood-level effects in under 60 seconds? No expensive software, no editing skills needed. Meet ClipZap.AI, the all-in-one AI tool that's changing how creators like you make content. It's fast, powerful, and surprisingly fun to use. Let's zap into it. ClipZap.AI is a workflow-based platform that automates video creation using artificial intelligence. But it's not just another AI makes a video kind of tool. Think of it more like a content factory, where text generation, image creation, voiceover synthesis, subtitles, translations, face swaps, and editing are all part of a single automated pipeline. Each feature is represented as a node, and you simply connect these nodes to build your custom workflow. Whether you're creating YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, product explainers, or multilingual training content, ClipZap can automate the entire process. Here's how it works. First, you pick a template. ClipZap has dozens to choose from. Want a short-form video, a talking head, a clip translated into 5 languages? There's a template for that. Next, you customize your workflow. Each part of the process, writing the script, generating visuals, creating voiceovers, syncing subtitles, is a node you drag and drop into place. It's kind of like building a train where each car represents a step in your content creation journey. When you visit ClipZap.AI, you'll be greeted with a bold and modern landing page showcasing the platform's AI video capabilities. To get started, click on the button that says Get Started for free. This takes you to the sign up screen where you can create an account or sign in instantly using your Google. The process is fast and user-friendly, designed to get you into the editor in under a minute. After signing up, you're taken directly to the main dashboard. This is the central hub where you can access all of ClipZap's tools and start creating videos. On the left-hand side of the screen, there's a neatly organized sidebar labeled Explore All Tools. Under this section, you'll find categories like video generators, image generators, music generators, and AI avatar tools. If you're focused on creating videos, you'll mostly interact with the video generator section, which includes integrations with AI models like Google, KlingAI, Minimax, RunwayML, Pika, and others. Once you select a video generator model, for example, the recommended VO3 quality recommend PRO model, you'll see the text-to-video interface appear in the center of the screen. Here, you'll find a large prompt box, which is where you type your idea or script for the video. If you're unsure how to start, you can click on Style Inspiration to get guided prompts or use one of the prompt style templates shown below the input box. These templates include visual styles like cartoon bears, anime characters, realistic cats, fantasy worlds, and more. They help shape the look of your generated video without needing complex instructions. Once you've selected your style and written your prompt, you can choose how many video outputs you want to generate. Each generation costs a certain number of credits. You'll see the total listed, for example, 600 credits for one video. When ready, click the big Generate button to start the process. At the top right of the dashboard, you can view your credits balance, which shows how many credits you have left for generating content. If you're on the free plan, you start with a limited amount, like 100 credits, which is enough to test the features but may not allow for full workflow experimentation. You can upgrade or buy more credits if needed. There's also an Earn $100 referral link if you want to share the platform and earn bonus credits or cash. Overall, the ClipZap AI dashboard is clean, responsive, and easy to navigate. The workflow makes it accessible for beginners while still being powerful. Enough for advanced users who want to automate video creation using different AI models. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just exploring AI for fun, the process from signing up to generating your first video is smooth and straightforward. ClipZap connects the dots, generates your text, turns it into visuals, adds a voiceover, even includes subtitles or music, and spits out a finished video. Alright, this is the first screen you'll see, your personal project dashboard. At the top left, it greets you by name. Right below that, you have a big orange button that says Plus New Workflow. That's the main button you'll click when you're ready to start building your first AI-powered video workflow. On the left-hand sidebar, there are a few sections to help you get started quickly. The main part of the screen features a banner that says "Easily Start with Templates." ClipZap really emphasizes using pre-built templates to save time and boost productivity. These templates help you create promotional videos, birthday videos, cinematic edits, and more without needing to build from scratch. Alright, so once you hit new workflow on the dashboard, ClipZap takes you to this visual editor where the real magic happens. This is where you build your entire AI video generation pipeline using modular steps. Think of it like stacking building blocks, where each block does a specific job in the video creation process. At the top of this flow, the first block is one AI script. This uses OpenAI's GPT model, in this case GPT 4.1 Nano, to take your idea or text input and turn it into a script. You can see a sample prompt already filled in. Write a short sci-fi story, Hollywood blockbuster, make it a storyboard with 2 scenes. This is where you're basically telling the AI what kind of story or concept you want to turn into video content. Overall, this workflow screen is where you chain together each step in your creative process, using AI for scripting, scene planning, image generation, and final video rendering. It's intuitive, flexible, and designed for creators who want professional-looking results without needing technical skills. ClipZap has a free tier, which gives you 100 credits, enough to try out a couple workflows, but you'll get watermarks and the feature set is limited. The platform even supports API access, so large teams or platforms can programmatically generate content at scale. The idea that you can automate an entire content pipeline from text prompt to polished video is powerful. It won't replace filmmakers or editors, but it will empower creators to make more, faster. If you want to see more deep dives into tools like this, drop a comment below. Hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next episode of IdeaPlex, where ideas come to life.